This 2023 Coachmen Catalina Destination 39 RLTS is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Coachmen is 40 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 6, refrigerator, external shower, microwave, oven, auxiliary battery, DVD player, awning, Colorado detector, Skylight, TV, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Catalina Destination 39 RLTS is 9,761 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.